Alright, today we're going to take out an old time clock and replace it with a new one. You'll know when your time clock is bad when this isn't spinning around. There's gears back here, and when you have the breaker on, everything on, you should be able to see it says visual motor check. You can see the gears spinning back there, and they're moving pretty slowly. So you gotta usually get a flashlight, look back there, see if they're moving or not. This one is not moving. So we're gonna change this all out. And by the way, these are for single speeds only. So all the new variable speed pumps have their own display on the pool pump, but this pump is a single speed. So the only way to control it, to turn it on and off, is through here. So we are gonna pull this out and get it going. First things first, definitely shut off your breaker, the main breaker to this whole panel. Start taking things apart. Alright, so time clock is connected to the breaker. As you can see, these run on 1 and 3, and the pump is going to run on 2 and 4 relays. So when we replace it, we're just going to copy exactly what's going on here. So it's best if you, before you pull this all out, I would take a picture and make sure you got everything lined up as far as the wires. Okay, so I got everything undone. You'll see that these ones will stay in there because these are running off the electricity straight from the breaker, and these run back towards the gears. These are what spins the gears. So we'll leave those connected in there. And a little trick that I do is I will leave whatever ones was in each relay, I'm gonna twist them together. So this is relay 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice little trick so you don't lose wires. There's other wires that will be connected in there. You'll see sometimes features, different pumps, lights, some weird stuff you'll see, but yeah, that way you take it off the same way, or put it on the same way you came off. Yeah. And then as far as removing the whole time clock, it's very simple. You see this little lever, or whatever you want to call it, at the top. You push it in, pull it out. I need 2 hands, but I'll still make it happen. It just comes out with 1 unit. Here is our new unit. Alright, I just got back from, I had to pick up the right standard time clock because I picked up the 101, which is the 120 that's not meant for the pool pump. This one is meant for the pool pump. So I'm really rusty when it comes to installing these, because I would not recommend getting a variable speed pump over replacing the time clock, but this customer's case, I got to replace this. So FYI, always make sure you get the 104, not the 101. Alright, now that we got the right time clock, I'm going to install it. Very simply. It's nice and sturdy on there. Make sure that it doesn't shift around. Wire this all back up. Alright, now we got all the wires where they belong. They're nice and snug in there. Gonna come out. Definitely don't want that happening. Nice and tight, just double check them. Make sure when you're finished with that, make sure to put on your cover. I would definitely always recommend making sure that you have this on at all times, because you know, you come back here with wet fingers, you know, you're cleaning the pool, doing whatever, and say you have, you know, some water on your hands, and you're moving this switch, you can easily get water from your finger into this. That would not be fun. So make sure you got your cover on. It goes on like this. That hole slips in, and you turn it. Put it in just like that. Okay, and once you get the power on and everything, you're going to want to set your time. So if you see this arrow right here, that is pointing to what time it should be. So right now, it's about 1 o'clock. Oops, you see how it says 12 at night? Obviously it's not nighttime right now. That will say 12 at noon. So right now it's 1 o'clock, and I have that facing right at 1. And then, you know, this is going to spin in a clockwise direction. So you're going to have your on and off pins. Here in Arizona, to be the most cost efficient on energy, we try to run the pool pumps at nighttime. So we're going to have it run from 12 at night. This is the on pin. God. So have it run from 12 at night. And we'll have the off pin run. So this is a play pool with a spa. So during the summer, right now it's August, and it's hot as balls here in Arizona. So we want to have it run for at least 9 hours at nighttime. So I put the off pin right here, twist it on, and then not only do you make it just hand finger tight, you want to grab a little wrench. And just, you know, do like a 180 spin on there. That should be tight. And yeah, that should be everything. Leave comments below or questions. Feel free to hit me up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.